Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some different kinds of beef in English. Before we begin, if you haven't done so yet, or you are new to our channel, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice these words together. Please give it a try. Steak, steak, steak. Roast beef, roast beef, roast beef. Ground beef, ground beef, ground beef. Beef stir fry, beef stir fry, beef stir fry. Beef ribs, beef ribs, beef ribs. Beef stew, beef stew, beef stew. Hamburger, hamburger, hamburger. Meatballs, meatballs, meatballs. Meatloaf, meatloaf, meatloaf. Hot dogs, hot dogs, hot dogs. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again next week. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.